Hello everyone, today we are going to do a group discussion about a natural week. My name is Loki Singh.
My name is Abdul Azim.
My name is Muhammad Nohairi.
My name is Muhammad Syamil Sadiq.
So let's just start our discussion.
Greetings everyone. So today we're going to do a group discussion about Nature Week. So the Nature Society of our university is organizing a Nature Week event. So as members of the society, we need to discuss and decide the best activity for the week. So I shall start now. So, in my opinion, the best activity for the week is that we need to organize a tree planting activity. This is because that the activity can actually teach the students on how to replanting the trees, and also can educate the students about the importance of the trees. This is because that the importance of the trees is that planting the new trees can actually create a new and fresh environment after a damaged environment such as deforestation. So we can relate that this activity with an effort of trying to educate the students about the disadvantage or the bad effect of deforestation, and we can actually renew the situation by replanting the trees. So organize a tree planting activity can actually teach and educate the students about the importance of nature and the relation of nature and the trees. So that's all from me.
Okay, I agree with Azim's opinion because I think students must be exposed to the importance of the nature, because I think our students may be a ruler in our country in the future. In my opinion, as a nature society, I think we should organize the recycling day. In the recycling day, we should encourage our students to bring their trash and separate the recyclable item and unrecyclable items, so they can learn how to recyclable their item to use for good. And I think we should have an event that our students make an usable item from recyclable item. The event can be entered by 4 people in one group. They can make some usable item from recyclable item. The most innovative and creative item will get prize. So the student will be more motivated to recycle their item. That's all from me.
I agree with your opinion because recycling day will practice our students to make university area clean and beautiful. In my opinion, we need to organize a camping trip to a forest reserve. This is because students will encourage to the nature, because some concept offer views for breathtaking and inspiring, such as in forest without televisions, gadgets, and even electricity. We take in all the views and the nature around the forest. Then the campus will expose to the scientific concepts, such as they will learn about what various plants and trees looks like, and what the plants and trees needs to survive, and what's the animals, what types of animals that will eat the plants. Besides that, they also will learn about astronomy, like they will
Learn constellation.
uh, by the looking at the stars at night. That's all for me.
From my view, I suggest we can organize a trip to a national park for the Natural Week. This is because we can explore different varieties of flora and fauna during the trip. For instance, tigers, bears, leopards, and elephants, which are seldomly we can see in our life. Therefore, we can learn how to differentiate the types of the animals and plants. Going to a national park also gives us the opportunities to learn and experience the beauty of nature. This is because the trip gives us a much needed break from electronics. National Park is a place of resounding silence or indescribable brilliance. Place where we can feel integrate a part of the natural world. Place where we can recreate ourselves. And that's all for my point.
In comparison between the points from two of you, I would agree more on Shamir's part, which is planning a camping trip to a reserve forest. This is because that if you're talking about the flora and fauna, educating the students about the difference of the flora and fauna and appreciating them, I would prefer more on having a camping in the reserve forest. This is because that the students can actually experience the nature around them. They can actually experience them by themselves and having more appreciation towards the nature, the animals, and also the plants inside the reserve forest. That's all.
Really, I agree with Azim to visit the natural forest because students can learn about nature by experience by themselves. So they can learn it from laptop, from phone. They learn from their experience. So it is more valuable. That's all for me.
Okay, so I think we all agree that we will choose the best activity for the nature weeks is that we will have a camping trip to the reserve forest. So that's all for the group discussion for today.